Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through St. Catherine. We are driving from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. So we are on the Old Harbour Road and we are in the vicinity of Willowdean. As you can see, this is actually the main road. If you're not traveling on the highway, this is the road you have to take when traveling from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. Now this is actually a very busy road and it should really be in a better state than this, but that's for another video. Okay, some work seems to be going on the right. Nothing to do with the road though, that is persons just fixing up their property. Okay, so we're actually heading towards, what's the name of this neighborhood now? I'll soon tell you. But this is a very popular area. So these areas now, because are mostly residential, because Spanish Town is so developed. Spanish Town is the main town in this area. It's so developed that you're not going to find large communities being built in Spanish Town because there's just no more space. So as you get on the outskirts of Spanish Town, you find a lot more residential areas, and then persons just commute to Spanish Town and back to their home, or to Kingston, wherever they work. You can easily commute around Jamaica now. This is Featherbed Lane on the right. On the left now you have some very large residential communities, a lot of gated communities on the left, and even more being built on the right. This area is being developed rapidly, and the names, I'm looking, soon tell you guys the name. Innswood, how could I forget that? Innswood, it's a very popular area in St. Catherine, and it's being developed at a rapid pace. You have a lot of developments that are finished and more that are being developed. This area actually reminds me of Draxhall on the north coast in terms of the residential developments. So on the left now is a Blaze gas station. It's not very popular chain. There have a few stations. It's growing, coming along nicely. They're not as big as a Total yet, but they'll get there. So on the left now is Chedwin Park, which is a very popular cricket grounds. Now during this section you can see on the left and the right it's just sugarcane. However, on the left, it's, sorry, not sugarcane. It's one of those housing developments that I was talking about. Remember when we said this area is being developed for residential homes. This is another very large development going on the left. And these communities are gated communities, so they're more secure. That seems to be the more popular way to do them now. On the left is the entrance to another one that's under construction, and on the right, if you go up that road, they have even more homes under construction. on the left now is the head office for the Best Dressed Chicken company. Sorry, Jamaica Boilers. That's the name of the company. Jamaica Boilers. Very nice facility. You can see it's well maintained. Gives you kind of like a ranch kind of farm kind of feeling. Very nice. And this district is called Macooks. Remember, the main towns are Spanish Town and Old Harbour, and in between there you have smaller districts like Willardine, Innswood, Macooks, and then as we continue we're going to Gutters, Sandy Bay, and then Old Harbour. Or it's Sandy Park. But as we said, this is the main road that if you're not using the highway, this is the road you have to take to travel from Spanish Town to Old Harbour. You can see some police officers hard at work. And of course, there is a taxi driver trying to follow behind. There's another person trying to follow behind the police car. Some things you only see in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.